set and ready to race. And the rough early lead is taken by Dancing Giselle by the rail, Rain the Dance, My Promise and May Fun. It's Dancing Giselle in the lead, followed by May Fun on the outside, Rain the Dance. And moving up now is My Promise. And the mid-back stretch, Dancing Giselle by the rail on the outside is May Fun, My Promise and Rain the Dance. And nearing the far turn, there is still Dancing Giselle by half a length, followed by May Fun on the outside in second. My Promise remains in third, Rain the Dance by the rail in fourth. The far turn, Dancing Giselle by half a length, followed by May Fun on the outside in second, and My Promise, Rain the Dance. The last bend for home, it is still Dancing Giselle by the rail, followed by May Fun on the outside, and Rain the Dance by the rail, and moving up on the farther outside, My Promise. And into the home stretch, Dancing Giselle, followed by May Fun on the outside, My Promise on the farther outside, and by the rail is Rain the Dance. It's still My Promise. It's My Promise, followed by May Fun on the outside. It's entry number 2, Dancing Giselle, and May Fun, My Promise on the outside, and Rain the Dance. And finally, at the playoff line, Dancing Giselle, May Fun, My Promise, and Rain the Dance.
2631 ang ating datingan.
Ngayon, alam mo na yung etymology.